Welcome Stats Busters to question 14, and this one's all about angles in a triangle. An equilateral triangle to be specific. Two of the angles in a triangle are 70 and 40 degrees. Jack says the triangle's equilateral. Explain why Jack is not correct. So hopefully you know that an equilateral triangle means all sides and angles are the same. Now remember, a triangle adds up to 180 degrees. And if you're splitting it into three equal angles, three same angles, you're dividing 180 by 3 exactly into three equal pieces. And 180 divided by 3 is 60 degrees. So basically what we've got in an equilateral triangle is 60, 60, 60. Three 60s make 180. So we can't be correct, because all the angles need to be 60, and it's saying that one of them's 70 and one of them's 40. So you just need to explain that. So just say, in an equilateral triangle, 180 degrees is split equally into three equal angles of 60 degrees. They are all 60 degrees, so cannot be 70 or 40 degrees. Now obviously you could do that as an explanation, or you could tackle it a totally different way. You could basically work out what the other angle would be. So you could say that 70 and 40 is 110 degrees, so the third angle is 70 degrees to make it add to 180. But he is wrong, because 70, 40 and 70 is not equilateral. It is isosceles. So yeah, if you actually work it out, he's actually dealing with an isosceles triangle, because the other angle is 70 degrees. And when two angles are the same, that's isosceles. It's only when all three angles are the same that that's equilateral.